everyone, this is Dr. Kalpana and you're watching my YouTube channel Pharmacy Lessons Made Easy. So we have started BPharm third semester Pharmaceutical Engineering series. In that we have already covered many of the modules like size reduction, size separation, flow of fluids. Other than that we have completed evaporation and this one is regarding drying. So you can watch the other videos also in the playlist with the name BPharm third semester Pharmaceutical Engineering. So let's begin today's video.
So in the whole content, this is the first equipment that we are going to discuss. The basic principle of tray dryer is forced convection based, and the hot air is actually being circulated. So once it will come in contact with the material which is to be dried, the moisture will evaporate after coming in contact with the hot air. If we see the construction of tray dryer, there is the tray dryer chamber, which is rectangular in shape and its walls are insulated. There is an air inlet which, after getting entered inside, is subjected to heating by the heater. There is a provision of entering trays inside the chamber. The number of trays may vary from minimum 3 and can be extended up to more than 20. The material which is to be dried is actually placed on the trays. Each tray is about 1.2 to 2.4 meters square in area, and usually the tray is loaded from 10 to 100 millimeter deep. We can adjust the distance between the bottom of the upper tray and the surface of substance loaded in the next tray, and this distance must be 40 millimeters. So if we see the working, the wet solid which is to be dried is fed inside the trays. The trays are then placed inside the rectangular chamber. The air which is getting circulated inside will be heated by the heated chamber. The hot air will pass through the material, and while circulation there will be exchange of heat with this hot air and the moisture which is present in the material which is to be dried. After exchange of heat, the moisture or the solvent will take that heat, will get evaporated, and from the air outlet the moist air can be removed. The fan will help in circulating the air and will lead to the process which is called forced convection. If we look upon the usage of this tray dryer, it is actually used for sticky materials, the plastic substances, and granular or crystalline substances. As an example, the crude drugs, chemicals, powders, they can be dried. Even in the lab, generally we use the glassware. Sometimes we can dry them with the help of this tray dryer. If we look upon its merits and demerits, majorly the tray dryer is operated in batch-wise manner. That is the main disadvantage or demerit, and it takes longer time for the material to get dried. There is an additional investment of labor to load and unload the material before and after drying. And if we see the merits, it offers a easier handling of materials, and the tray dryer, in that each batch can be handled as a separate entity. So the batch size is relatively small in pharmaceutical industry as compared to the chemical industry. So we can handle those valuable products very efficiently.
I hope you understood the concept of tray dryer very carefully and it has cleared all your doubts. In case you have any doubt, anything to share, you can write in the comment section. You can click on the like button to subscribe my channel and share it on social media. Thank you.